5 Nike sneakers under 7,000 rupees, and do not worry because some are around 5,000 rupees and some are around 6,000 rupees. That is it. So yes, this is going to be a very fire list, and yes, the sneakers on this list are very versatile. The range is very versatile because I have some very banger sneakers, some very comfortable sneakers, some very classics, and I am very excited to share it with you all. So let's go. What is up, people? This one Kamlev, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I am very much excited for this video and particularly about this sneaker as well because this is one of my favorite sneaker on this list. So we'll start with this, and here we go. So this is Nike City, a very beautiful Nike sneaker in this cream upper and gum bottom on it. You get to see suede and canvas upper on the sneaker in that exact same cream colorway. A great quality suede, different type of paneling on it, and different materials used on this pair. That makes this sneaker very beautiful. This is a very lightweight sneaker, a very comfortable sneaker from Nike, and I personally love this wild gum bottom on it, and it also has black patches on it, which makes this sneaker look very interesting. And overall the vibe of the sneaker is very beautiful, so I personally loved it. Talking about the pricing on the sneaker, I got this pair for 6,287 rupees, which is a great price for this pair. Okay, when I pull out one banger, I have to pull out another banger after that. So that is this sneaker. It is again a very beautiful silhouette, and we'll talk about it later. Let's just unbox this first. So it's really dusty, so let's go. So this is Nike Killshot 2, a full black leather upper sneaker with white contrasting stitching on it. It is just amazing. A very slim profile sneaker. It looks very much like a skateboarding sneaker, a very flat outsoled pair, and it is just a beautiful looking pair from Nike. There is no such specific details on this pair, but the only attractive part on this pair is the contrasting white stitch on the whole black leather upper sneaker, and that is what makes this sneaker stand out. And one more thing, this sneaker looks very much similar, like exactly similar to one more sneaker which is again from Nike. Do let me know what that sneaker is if you know. Like, it is a very famous pair, so you guys see this pair and you guys will definitely know what that other pair is. So yes, do let me know what that pair is. And talking about this pair again, it is a very decently comfortable sneaker. It fits true to size, and again I got it for a very good price. That is 6,129 rupees. That is a very fire price for this Killshot. Okay, I told you guys there is something very comfortable on this list, and here you go. So this is a very interesting pair. I personally liked this pair 2 years back, then I literally forgot about this. So I really wanted to buy this pair back then I got something else. So long story short, I want to share this pair with you guys because it is beautiful, it is comfortable. So let's go. So this is Nike Air Winflow 11, a full knit upper sneaker from Nike in this beautiful dark marine blue colorway. It is just a gem. Okay, I know a lot of people might feel this is a running sneaker. Why is showing this as a comfortable sneaker? Okay, yes, I know this is a running sneaker, but you can definitely pull this sneaker off for your everyday wear because this is a very comfortable sneaker. I like the colorway on it. Yes, some people might feel pink is not a generic color, but I feel you can really pull this sneaker off. It has that light, very light neon color to it on the midsole. You have that pink border on the midsole again. Then you have that very light pink sparkles on the upper of the sneaker, and that makes the sneaker look very interesting. I told you guys this is a very comfortable sneaker because the sneaker has that air technology in it. It has a very soft foam. It is full knit upper sneaker. That means it is a very breathable sneaker. Your feet is not going to sweat, and that is what I like about this sneaker. And the most important reason I have shared this sneaker with you guys is because you can use this sneaker in two different ways. That is your everyday sneaker and your gym sneaker, running sneaker, jogging sneaker, something like that, because it has a very good grip underneath it, and overall it is a very comfortable sneaker. And the best part, you can get it for an amazing price. That is 6,257 rupees. That is a beautiful price for this beautiful sneaker. Okay, I told you guys we have some classic silhouette here, and this is the one. So all of them are classic silhouettes, but again I just wanted to put a name on it, I believe. Let's open this box and share the sneaker with you guys. So let's go. So this is Big Nike Low, a full leather white upper sneaker with hints of red all over it, just like the Nike swoosh, the sock liner and the outsole of the sneaker. This sneaker is known as Big Nike Low because it has a big Nike logo on the back heel of the sneaker, and that I feel is interesting. If you like it, you can copy it. If you do not like it, that is totally fine because some people don't like big brandings, and this has a huge branding over it. So yes, I totally understand, but yes, I feel this is a very good Nike Dunk silhouette and you can get it for a great price. Very decent comfortable sneaker, not very cushiony or something like that. Very decent normal comfortable sneaker. You won't find crazy amount of great leather or great quality on it. It's just a decent Nike sneaker, I'll say, but looks like a Dunk, so it might be a good alternative of it. Nike Dunks like this might cost you a lot, but this one you can get it for 5,420 rupees. Like, can you believe a Nike Dunk at this price? No, you can't. So yes, a very beautiful pair at this price point. Coming to the next sneaker on this list, and I again like the sneaker and I've seen a lot of people wearing this pair, so let's unbox this. So this is Nike Full Force Low in this full white leather upper sneaker with hints of black and grey on it. This sneaker looks very beautiful. I just love the silhouette on it, and overall the paneling, the details on the sneaker is amazing. The black tongue, the black sock liner, the cream midsole, black outsole. This sneaker is really a good gem. Again, just to be clear, this is again a very decently comfortable sneaker, not something very comfortable, but a decently comfortable sneaker. A very interesting silhouette. Even if you have a wide foot, you can definitely wear this sneaker. And yes, overall I just love this pair. And one more thing, if you are into shorts, jorts or something like that, this can be a great pair and definitely a very good pair for college as well, like most of them are. So yes, if you like this pair, you can cop this pair for 5,971 rupees. And yes, I have got all the sneakers from Amazon. I have linked them in the description, so you can go and check them out. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.